YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If it's your first time tapping in, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I gotta let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just talking about some Bitcoin, talking about some XRP. As you guys could see, market cap coming in at 2.68 trillion, and Fear Index coming in at a 27. Bitcoin also coming in at an 82. People thinking, hey, is the market starting to break down, right? We're concerned if we can hold on to this 82.5. This is really key range. We do not want to start breaking down off of this. I would definitely be concerned if we would start creating like another shoulder on this, like a shoulder head shoulder. This again is another indicator of a bearish trend. We also have on the 7-day just us again coasting sideways, right? We don't want to have too much of this sideways consolidation, because on the 1 month, as you guys could see, we're actually forming a bear flag, right? Same as what we formed right here before we had a big dump. Well, we could possibly see again Bitcoin have another big dump happen probably tomorrow. As you guys could see, there's not much support right now, so there is a lot of fear in the market, in my opinion. Even though it's saying that we're at a 27, I do think that we're going to be lower than a 27. I feel like we're going to probably be coming in closer to like a 20. And I think that if we break down below 80, that we're going to be in some extreme fear, back into red, which we were just back into red not too long ago, which is interesting because we haven't really seen these levels of red since back in 2023. But in my opinion, they're necessary. Corrections are necessary. As you guys could see, a lot of coins seeing some big correction. Waiting on some of these coins to see even more correction, including Ethereum, just looking totally bad. Nothing but sell off. Look at that. Told you guys about that bear flag that Ethereum was making too. And look, it's starting to break down, right? Even on the 1 year, and this all-time chart also creating a bear flag. This thing is it's looking bad, man. This Ethereum is looking like a awesome trade for a bear. To just be, I would just be swing trading the heck out of this thing. It just has zero volume. It's shown all year this has no volume. Is it going to pick up in volume randomly? I don't know about that. Maybe it will. Again, I do think that corrections are necessary, and I think Ethereum could correct down to like 11 and 12 and then shoot back up way high, like maybe to like 20K or more. Personally, that's just my what I think can happen. Also Solana too. I think Solana could drop down to like 70. Think XRP could drop down a lot more too, probably like $1.25 or something like that if Bitcoin wanted to see a big correction. That's how much correction down to 68 would cause panic and fear in the market. And at those levels, guys, a lot of people will panic sell. They will feel like there is no hope. They will feel like the market will not recover. And then the market will create this FOMO, right? And then coins will start doing this, right? 161%. But anyway, let's talk about some Toshi coin, guys, because I'm sure Toshi coin is feeling some of the grunt of this too. I haven't even checked. Actually, not that bad. Toshi coin only down 4% today, coming in at 122 million market cap, retesting again this second Keltner channel on the 15. This is a big level of resistance for Toshi. We got to start breaking up above this Keltner channel so that we could start seeing some positivity in the markets. You guys can see it just hasn't been a ton of volume right now, and that's again because Bitcoin has not been having a ton of volume. It's just been kind of having some nasty price consolidation. So again, looks like we might be seeing some cheaper prices in the market if Bitcoin does decide it wants to have its sell-off. We do talk about the fact that normally we do see sell-off into the weekend, so this is not unnatural at all. You can see we fell into these zones of oversold before. We've had a big sharp recovery, so maybe Toshi coin will drop down a little more into those oversold zones again and have a big sharp recovery, or maybe we can start recovering out of this this 12-hour chart. I don't know. We are growing exponentially though in holders. It's amazing to see that just how fast we have grown in just the past 2 days, close to 5,000 holders. And that again is just contributed to you guys that are liking content, hitting the subscribe button, pushing this out in the algorithm. Toshi coin is going up in Google search. So that's what we need to happen in order for the community to grow. We need to have more people talking about Toshi. And that's what attracted me to this project in the first place. It was the community and the way that these guys help each other out and help each other build. So again, if you're not yet tapped in on X, go tap in with those guys on X. A lot of those guys changing their profile pictures in just the past couple days to Toshi. I've noticed a lot of you guys Feel like that's because you guys been watching my content and now you're like, you know what? Let me put the little Toshi cat in my profile picture. I want to know what you guys think though. What are your price predictions for Toshi? Let me know in the comment section below. And again, I'm gonna keep making you guys videos, so I'll catch you next one. Peace.